Hello guys, this is mathsEvery. Welcome back. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that next time you may see the new updates. And today we are looking at the differentiation with respect to x using a chain's law. Chain's law states that when the derivative function of f of g, it will be inverse of f of x in the g of x multiplied by inverse of g x. So now the general formula for chain's law is d over du open brackets u power n, which is equals to n open brackets u close power n minus 1. I think you remember here where we did by differentiating the given function multiplied by derivative function of u. So now let's try to work out with this example. Example 1. If we have d over dx, which is open bracket 1 over x squared plus 8 in the bracket power 3. So before working on such question, you have to take it into negative. I think you remember the indices where you are given a fraction like this one, a 1 over x power 2, then take it into negative, it will be x power negative 2. So here we'll do the same, it will be d over dx open bracket x power 2 plus 8 then minus 3, as you can see here. Then now let's use this formula. Then it will be u equals, we take this function, it will be x squared plus 8. Then for n, it will be u minus 3. So now let's differentiate this equation. For number 1, it is du over dx, which is equals to du over dx. We are going just to take this one x squared because this one is 0. Then it is 2 times 1, it is 2x power 2 minus 1, which is equals to 2x power 1. Then for this one, for du over dy, which is equals to, this one is y, yeah, which is equals to negative 3 times 1, it is negative 3. Then negative 3u minus 3 minus 1, which is equals to minus 3u power minus 4. First place we had u equals 2x power 2 minus 8, so we are going to substitute this value into u. So let's substitute. So dy over dx is equals to dy over du times du over dx. Then let's substitute now. Where there's u, we are going to substitute with this value, then it will be minus 3. Where there's u, we add that equation, which is 2x power 2 minus 8 power 4. Then for dx, it is multiplied by 2x, which is equals to 2x times 3, which is minus 6x open bracket 2x squared minus 8 power, here there's negative 4. So let's take it into positive form. Then it will be minus 6x over 2x power 2 minus 8 in the bracket power 4. Example 2. When you're given question like this one, d over dx, which is equals to square root of x squared minus 7. Then let's take it into bracket 1. It will be open bracket x squared minus 7 close power half. Half is the same as the square root. So now when u equals x squared minus 7, and for y it is u power half. So let's try to differentiate this equation. Then it will be du over dx, which is equals to, when you differentiate x squared, it will be 2x squared minus 1, the same as 2x. Then for y it will be u half times 1, it will be half power half minus 1, which is equals to half u power 1 over 2. Where there is a u here, we are going to express with this equation. Then it will be dy over dx, it is equals to dy over du times du over dx, which is equals to, I said we are going to substitute where there is the u, we are going to substitute with this equation. Then it will be half, where there is u, it is the x squared minus 7 power half. Then multiply by 2x to be equals to 2x over 2 open brackets x squared minus 7 half, which is same as it will be 2x over 2 square root 2x squared minus 7.